Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually filming this intro after I filmed the video because as I finished the video, I realized I never filmed an intro. So this is the intro, I'm filming it after the fact, but today's video is going to be all about our medicine cabinet and how we keep it organized. I am going to be completely honest, and I have already organized that a couple months ago, but I really liked how it was organized and I wasn't filming videos at the time, and so I decided to unorganize it to show you guys how I organized it. So when I show you the before, that's kind of fake because I just unorganized it right before I filmed it. It was organized before that, but that is how this cabinet once looked a couple months ago before I organized it the first time. So in the video, you are going to see from a completely unorganized cabinet to a organized cabinet. And hopefully you guys find this video helpful, and let's get into it. Okay, so I wanted to show before. So this is our medicine cabinet. And we chose this one. I'll kind of back up and so you can see. But these are our cabinets on this side of the kitchen. These open up and cups and stuff are in there. And then this is actually like a corner unit. So it opens like that. So this one was just a skinny like filler cabinet, which we thought would be perfect for keeping medicine and stuff. So this never got organized, and so it's a mess. There's stuff like back in there and teas and another baggie up there. So I've gotten a couple ideas on how I'm gonna organize it, so I wanted to go through how we're gonna do that. Okay, now I just have everything on our kitchen counter, and so I'm gonna go through. I think what I'm gonna do is try to separate it based on uses. So like, I don't know, this is like first aid stuff, there's like actual prescriptions, then there's stuff for colds, vitamins, then we have some essential oils were up there and some teas. So I'm gonna put these into categories and see how many categories we have. So these are the main two containers I got for organizing all of our medicines. So these are from the Container Store. They are the InterDesign Linus. I don't know if it says the name on here, but this is the InterDesign Linus. I think they call them like Lazy Susans or something, but I will link them below. But this is, I think, the medium size. I know there's one size bigger, but this is what would measure to fit in the cabinet. So I got two of these, one for each shelf. And I'm gonna put a label on right here on it that will say what's in this section, then in this section, and then in this section. What's nice is that this does spin, these both spin. So when they're in the cabinet and they're facing like this, you can just spin it and get whatever else you need. And these are just two stickies from the label that I wasn't able to get off. So I'll have to get some Goo Gone and get that off. But basically, I'm hoping that everything will fit in these 6 categories. There's 3 in each. So let's see what categories we can put everything in. Okay, so here are the 2 filled little spinny things. So in this first side, I just put all the first aid stuff. So I have Band-Aids in here, the little ice pack / hot pack here, thermometer, and some Neosporin. Then over here I have like pain and stomach stuff. So I have ibuprofen, Tylenol, Imodium, Tums, and then this little bag of Excedrin. And then this is for cold. So this is Dayquil, NyQuil, some cough drops, and then this is Mucinex. So that's the 3 in that container. And then this side is kind of like allergy stuff. So here is some stuff for bug bites. This is the allergy medicine Teller likes, and then this is all stuff for eyes. So this is stuff, or this is actually a nasal spray. This is allergy eye drops, another eye drop, and another eye drop. This one's actually a prescription, but I just have it in case we ever need it. And then these are just vitamins. This is just a multivitamin. Vitamin C, we like to take this if we feel like we are possibly getting sick. We'll try to bump up our vitamin C a little bit. And then this section is my prescriptions. If you don't know, I have Crohn's disease, and so this is my prescription, so I just have those in a separate section so they don't get mixed up with anything else. So these are the two spinny things, and I'm gonna put one in this bottom shelf and one in this second shelf. So then the top shelf, I'll show you now what I'm gonna do up there. So while I was at the Container Store, I found this little super cheap, let's see if it has a name. No, there's the item number if you're curious. But it was just a really cheap little white container, so I think it would kind of look like this from up on the counter. But I think I'm gonna put all of our essential oils in here. So I like that this little pouch, I think there's actually like 12, maybe 12 in here. Let me try to open this. So it has a bunch of essential oils in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 10 different essential oils in this little pack. Tyler got this at Sam's Club, so I like having that, and I think I'll keep it in this because it just kind of makes it a little easier to store. So I'm gonna try to keep that in there. And then these teas are actually my mom's. She wanted me to have these here in case she ever wants some tea while she's here. So I'm just gonna keep those in this little thing as well, and I'll put in the Grove right in there. So alright y'all, so as you can see, I ended up using my silhouette to create some labels. I definitely recommend using labels because it's going to help other people find where things are and put them away properly. So hopefully this video gave you some ideas on how to organize your medicine cabinet. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and definitely hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Alright, thanks guys, bye!